everyone, thanks for stopping in today to see what I am up to. And today I have my Facetory, and Facetory is usually a month behind, so this is going to be for August of 2020. And I just slit the bag just a second ago. Slid it all away. I'm going to take everything out of the bag. And Facetory is a Korean sheet mask monthly subscription. I get the Forever Fresh Kit. It's 4 masks, $8.90 a month. They have the 7 Luxe. You receive 7 masks. That's $19 a month. Then they offer the Lux Plus Box. That is seasonal. It's $49.95 a season. You get 10 to 12 skincare and hair care items. And with that, they promise a value of over $200. And these are the masks that I see in here. There's looks like there's a bonus mask. They send a card that tells you your mask, gives you, what the ingredients are, key ingredients and so forth with a value. And yes, there is a bonus mystery mask. Please don't mind my nails. I received a PR package from a manicure company. So I'm going to, this coming weekend, I'm going to film that. I'm going to take my polish off. I have to trim my nails and get them ready and base coat them. And then I'm going to show you how you use their product. So that, be on the lookout for that. That probably will be during the week at some point, but I'm going to film it on the weekend. So we're going to start right out, and I am a sucker for packaging. So this is from Candy O'Lady, and this is the Cake Pop Candy Mask, and this is a value of $2.50. And the key ingredients are aloe leaf extract, which is an anti-inflammatory, and rosemary flower extract, which is a strengthening ingredient to help protect the skin from environmental damage. And it also has calming properties to soothe your skin. So that's nice. Like I said, sucker for packaging. The next one is from a company called Orgena. I'm not really sure how you say that. And these are all, like I said, Korean. This is a rice moisture mask sheet, value of $2. The other one was $2.50, in case I didn't tell you that. Key ingredients are rice extract, and that is a gentle, soothing ingredient. Smooths out skin texture and hydrates the skin. And betaine, it's a gentle ingredient that helps balance and maintain hydration for a healthy skin barrier. So that's that one. The next one, also cute packaging right here. This is from Jigot, and this is Lotus Real Ampule Mask, value of $2. Key ingredients are Nucifera leaf extract. It's filled with vitamin C and vitamin B to nourish and brighten your skin. It also helps control sebum production and maintain hydration. That's nice. I don't think I've ever seen a mask with that. Pearl extract, which is brightening. I knew that from getting all these masks, which helps, with environmental damage and all that good stuff. And here's a cute looking mask also. I love the packaging on these, the shapes. This is from Pure Skin, and this is Hanlabong Soothing Mask, value of $2. The key ingredients are mandarin orange fruit extract, which contains vitamin C to help clear the skin of inflammation, hyperpigmentation, and vitamin C also brightens your skin. And pomegranate fruit extract, and this is pomegranate is anti-aging. Nice. And then the bonus mask is from Sika, and this is an essential sheet mask. It strengthens the skin barrier and has calming and improves wrinkles. So lately they've been giving a bonus mask, which is nice. So if you do a mask a week, so if there's 5 weeks in a month, which sometimes that happens, you have enough masks to do that. And if not, I usually only mask once a week, but you can do twice a week if that's what you see fit. That's why I love this subscription so much, because I don't have to go out and look for masks. I know these are good masks. They're good quality. Facetory has a great reputation, and I've been getting Facetory since the beginning of this channel, and will never cancel the subscription. For $8.90, I have my entire month's worth of masks. No thought whatsoever. Just pull one out, use it, and be done. And I wind up, because you get masks in so many boxes, accumulating stockpiling sometimes. And then I share them in giveaways, always share them with friends and family. Why not? So that is my Forever Fresh kit for, you know, it says a fresh summer breeze. So this is for August. And I hope you all enjoy this video. I know this one always doesn't do well, like view-wise and all that kind of stuff on the channel. And that doesn't bother me. I know some YouTubers don't show things like this if they don't perform well. But if I'm passionate about a box, I'm going to show it regardless. I hope you still would consider watching the ones that maybe you're not like 100% interested in, but at least, you know, to support. I love that you really hit hard the ones that you love, but, you know, maybe you guys can watch like Facetory and Bookcase Club. Ones that don't always perform well, but I'm passionate about, and, you know, just support the entire channel. So that's that. And you might see some of these in future giveaways. And if you're lucky to win one of them, you'll see them in your box. So I appreciate all of you. And thank you for your comments, for watching and supporting. And I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.